What's going on eBay? Tonight's break, one box of Museum for the final night. If you guys are wondering, we do have an Inception break up on our page right now. We have a mini up, filling up a couple teams, and I believe we have 3 more teams left. So if you're looking to get in on a great product, right there is your product. Inceptions is one of my favorite products. Last year was probably the product I broke the most of. I am on fire tonight. I already pulled some football, and the football was on fire tonight. My football break was on fire tonight. Like I said, there's a little sneak peek of what I pulled in football. That's a National Treasures 2016 rookie Carson Wentz. Rookie patch auto. Yeah, pretty sweet card. Like I said, guys, if I can pull that out of 2016, imagine I can pull out of 2018 Inceptions. As soon as it fills, I do break it. Jeff, I'm dying to break the Inceptions. Shane might end up breaking an Inceptions box before me. It's a very sad day for me if Shane does that. I just need a couple more teams taken. I told me and Shane discussed it. We'd eat a couple teams just to get it broken, but all right, we always save the hits to last. Wonder what I'm doing right there. Hits are right there. Roger Clemens. Nolan Arenado. Some of my favorite cards out of Museum. Nelson Cruz. Canvas Collection. I think I did, Shane. 42 out of 50. Bo Jackson, Better Club Bo, Ernie Banks, Eric Hosmer, Edwin Carcion, and Andrew Benedetti. This might be a monster. Quad Patch, 8 out of 99. Ruffin Odor, Joey Gallo, Adrian Beltre, and Cole Hamels. Quad Patch. The Texas Rangers picking up a quad patch early. Oh man, this next one. Just give me 1 minute, guys. Just gotta one touch it. Open up the new one touches. Not one touches, sorry, top loaders. This next card might be a one-toucher. I gotta see it, but it looks like it could be a one-toucher. So just to show you guys that hit again, Texas Ranger quad patch. Wow, it is Ahmed Rosario. Signature, 18 out of 50. With a pinstripe over there. Signature. Another sweet card. It's my second Ahmed Rosario in 2 nights. Congratulations, Mets. Sweet card. Probably from the face of the franchise right there. All right. Chris Bryant. Corey Kluber. Johnny Bench. Michael Conforto. Luis Severino. He's going to be the Cy Young this year. Mark McGwire was just watching the game. 5 home runs. Freddie Freeman. And Miguel Sano. 109 out of 150. I'm going to start with this one first. Jonathan Schoop. 7 out of 35. Nice short print. And look at that patch. That's a sick patch right there. Nice little sick patch right there. All right. And the next one. The Angels. The Diamondbacks. Jake Lamb. 227 out of 299. Jake Lamb. The Arizona Diamondbacks picking up the last hit of the night. Coming out strong. And that is it. Like I said, make sure you like and follow our page. We have the Leaf draft going up next, and we have Inceptions up right now. We'll also have a little mixer with the Stadium Club. But thank you guys so much for picking with us. Make sure you check your boxes. I give out hitless bonuses. Make sure you check your packages. A lot of people have just been throwing them away. They've been like, oh, I didn't know you gave out hitless bonus. Make sure you look out for the hitless bonus. Have a good night, everyone.